So hey, good morning, Flower. Mr. Walker with your morning announcements for Tuesday, May 17th, 2022. Remember when I said this month was flying by? It certainly is. Let's go ahead and stand for our morning announcements, beginning first with our pledge. We're standing and those right hands over our hearts, and we are ready to begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, Flower, you may go ahead and be seated. So as you're seated at level 0, we got a few things to talk about on this Tuesday morning. First and foremost, let's talk about iReady. Our iReady assessments are well underway. Many of us have completed both math and reading exams, and we still have a few to make up. Now, please remember, we must prioritize making up our exams. This is something that if you're absent, this must be one of the first things you do upon returning. So please make sure communication with your teacher is strong because we need your scores. Please make sure that you take this test because we want to see your growth from the start of this year until now. Flower, let's also keep in mind that Spirit Week is next week, and our Spirit Week this time around is sponsored by our specials team. So we have some pretty cool days next week. We have Marvelous Monday, dressing up as your favorite Marvel superhero or villain. We also have Walt Disney Wednesday. We've got some Pajama Day thrown in there. It is going to be quite a week, so please make sure that you're here for it. Flower, we also have our summer send-off event. We're going to be celebrating an amazing school year on Wednesday, June 8th. That is going to be 4 to 6:30 p.m. Now remember, Wednesday is going to be an early release day, so please make sure you come back. There's going to be water slides, there's going to be a parent marketplace, Kona Ice, food, music, and so much more. Now, Flower, around that same time, we're also going to be celebrating different grade levels for achieving some amazing milestones. Remember, we're celebrating our 5th grade students for that transition from 5th grade to middle school. That's going to be the end of this month, heading into June. And then we're going to be celebrating our kindergarten students on Thursday, June 9th, followed by the celebration of our 8th grade students moving on to high school on June 10th. Last day of school. Now, let's talk a little bit about the last day of school. The last day of school is actually going to be a short day of school. We are going to be on a Wednesday schedule, but on a Friday. So we are released no later than 1 o'clock. Our final class, that is. Our final classes will be released at 1 p.m. on that Friday, June 10th. So please make sure you're here. It's going to be a great time, but we need to make sure that we're aware that it's not going to be the traditional bell schedule that day. All right, so I'm about to announce Golden Spoon Award winners, but Mr. Walker got really crazy busy last week, and he asked for your forgiveness. He asked for your grace. He asked for your forgiveness. Miss Betsy, Miss Trina, Mr. Roy gave Mr. Walker the Golden Spoon Award winners from last week, but Mr. Walker did not have the opportunity to talk about it on the morning announcements last week. So what I'm going to do right now is, before we announce this week's Golden Spoon Award winners, we're going to travel back in time and we're going to talk about our last week's Golden Spoon Award winners. So Mr. Walker is going to take it away. Here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and announce our Golden Spoon Award winners from last week. Mr. Walker fell behind and he didn't get a chance to announce these, but we still want to make sure that you are seen and heard. Congratulations on your great efforts in the cafeteria, making sure power is shown each and every day. For our K through 2 Golden Spoon, we want to recognize Miss Gansky. Congratulations, Miss Gansky and Oswego. For 3 through 5, we want to congratulate Miss Cat and Pepperdine University. Congratulations once again for getting that Golden Spoon. And then finally, 6 through 8, another familiar name, Miss Nixon and NPU. Congratulations, Miss Nixon and NPU. Congratulations on being last week's Golden Spoon Award winners. So we're going to announce this week's Golden Spoon Award winners tomorrow.
It is time for us to pause, rewind, take a look at history. Asian American and Pacific Islander history that has shaped our world and society as we know it. Asian American and Pacific Islander history that has influenced our past, present, and of course, impacts our future. Today we want to take a special look at Mabel Ping Huali. Mabel Ping Huali was born in Hong Kong and immigrated to the United States of America. When she was only 16 years old, not too much older than you all, she led a women's rights suffrage march where she was a voice for women's rights, including the right to vote. Mabel Ping Huali then went on to Columbia University and was the first woman of Chinese descent to earn a PhD in economics from Columbia University.
All right, Flower, let's go ahead and make it a great Tuesday. It's already Tuesday. It's already May 17th. We are almost at the end of our school year. Let's go ahead and make it a great day. The choice is always yours. We'll see you around. Bye-bye.